Feedback is commenting on the way something was done. You can give feedback on how well something was done, but also how poorly something was done. And so the value of feedback is extremely valuable. All right. For the worker, they get information on what went well, but also what didn't go well. They get praise for the work that is good, but get valuable information to prove for next time as well. For the workplace, workers giving feedback become more critical of their own work, which means that people self-evaluate. Um, People receiving feedback improve their work, and then which naturally improves the work produced by the workplace as well. There are a number of types of feedback. Firstly, feedback can be formal or informal. So formal feedback is given in a formal setting, such as a performance review meeting or a survey designed for feedback. It's generally written down and can have other uses, such as awarding bonuses if you get good feedback, or determining if a worker is underperforming and maybe being performance managed if you're getting lots of negative feedback. Okay. Informal feedback is given in an informal setting. So it could be a quick conversation with a coworker or a boss, or it could be a very quick email. This can be helpful to improve or get validation for something you did well, but is generally not used for other things such as the bonuses because it's just not collated and able to be used for that purpose. It can also be direct or indirect. So direct feedback is feedback given directly to you where you're named in the feedback. So it could be an email to you, it could be a conversation with you, but it basically says that you have done X, Y, Z. Indirect feedback is feedback given to you, but not directly. And it could be a meeting where you're told the team did well. So your team gets feedback, and so therefore you also get feedback on what you did. But because you're not named directly, then it's indirect feedback. It also could be feedback that you hear about through the grapevine. So maybe someone says that that's a really great product, and you hear that through the grapevine. That's indirect.